How to fix if you can't sign in to Microsoft account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today with how to need delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search login.live.com. And if you cannot simply sign in, click on View Site Information at the top. Click on Cookies and Site Data in here. Then click on Manage on Device Site Data and delete all the data available by clicking on the bin icon. After you have done that, you can simply press on Done at the bottom and try logging in. If it still does not work, by reloading your page, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on three dots at the top right corner of your screen, scroll down and click on Settings. After you're in the settings, on the left side, click on Privacy and Security, then click on Delete Browsing Data. Then, make sure there is tick marking Cookies and Other Site Data in the Advanced section. Then, make sure you've selected Cached Image and Files as well and press on Delete Data. After you've selected Delete Data, simply go to your Microsoft sign-in page and try signing into your account. This is how to fix if you can't sign into Microsoft account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.